Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, you will learn about how to round numbers in JavaScript using the built-in math method like Math.round, Math.floor, Math.ceil methods, right? And we will explain the difference between the rounding down up, rounding down, right? And to the nearest integer with the simple examples. So let's go to our Visual Studio Code and understand that how it works. Let's start. Now, what is rounding? Rounding means changing a number to the nearest whole number in a specific direction like up or down. Now, what is this whole number? Well, whole number are these 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. These are your whole numbers, right? And more also like 10, 11, 12, all the numbers from 0 to infinity. The whole numbers are like this, right? So, uh, in a specific direction like up or down means that if you are having 2.3, if you do the round off, it can be 2 or 3 as per the direction that you give, right? And JavaScript gives simple method using the math object to do this quickly, right? So we get lots of math objects, and that's what we are going to learn in this particular video, right? So let's start with that. Let's remove all the bulk that I'm having here. Now first we are going to start with math, not math, the capital math dot round. Fine. So let's understand that how it works. So I will write console dot, sorry, log, then put a bracket here. Now here I will write math dot round, then put a bracket here, and inside this bracket I will write the number. Let's say the number is 4.3, right? So what do you think that I'm going to get here? Let's check. Let's go to the inspect and check the console. You can see I'm getting this 4. Why 4? Well, here the rounding is done based on 0.5. If the number is less than 0.5, it will get rounded off in the downward side, that is 4. Now the same thing if I do again, and this time I'm having the number as 4.6, right? 4.6. Now it is more than, it is greater than 0.5, right? So what I'm going to get? I'm going to get 5 this time. You can see the 5, right? Now what will happen if I write 4.5? In that particular case, I'm going to get 5, right? In the 5 also, if you are having this 5, right? Even then also, we will get rounded off towards what? Toward the upper side, that is 5, right? So I hope you understood the concept from here. Now let's move to the next, that is Math.floor. Now in the Math.floor, what it does, it goes to the lower integer, even for the negative also, right? Even for the negative also. Let me show you how. Console.log, put the bracket here, and then Math.floor, put a bracket, and inside this bracket I will write 4.9. What do you think I'm going to get this time? Earlier what we have learned, according to that, it should go near, it should go to the 5, right? But now what this will do, it will take you 4. Why to the downward side? Well, that's the reason why we have used Math.floor. Floor is what? Floor is in the downside, right? That is the logic basically, that when you click on the, when you use the floor, at that time it will take you to the downward side, right? And let's check it for the negative number also. Let's copy it up, let's paste it here, and now this time I'm going to write minus 4.9, right? And now what I will get? I will get minus 5, because minus 5 is in the downward side. right, in the left side in the number table. Fine. Yeah, I hope you understood the Math.floor also. Now the last one, that is Math.ceil. Can you guess it at your own that what Math.ceil will do? Well, ceil is on your top, right? That the thing will happen here when I will write Math.ceil, and if I write 4.1 here, at that time what I will get? Let's do one thing. Let's comment this all. Okay, fine. What I will get? 4.1. I will get a 5 here. The upper number. The upper number, that is 5. Fine. And if I do it for the negative, like minus 4.1, at that time I'm going to get the 4. Why 4? Because in the number table, 4 minus 4.1 is in the left side of 4. Means the 4 is greater number. I hope you know this. This is very basic, right? Uh, so this was all about today's video, right? We have understood the three main methods, that is Math.round, Math.floor, and Math.ceil, to round off the numbers in JavaScript, right? So this is all for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will meet in the next video very soon. Till then, goodbye.